to you newcomers, and to you returning subscribers, welcome back. So it is well into July now.
But it's still Pride season.
And to celebrate, I decided to make these studs, these rainbow beauties, and I'm going to show you how I make ones just like them. Next year's giveaway. Cue music. Enjoy. To start with, the products I'm using are a multicolored pack of balloons, scissors, a dome cabochon silicone mold, 6mm stainless steel earring posts, Gedeo crystal resin, I think that's how it's pronounced. It's my favorite, it's all the rage. Single-use medication cups and a dropper. And gloves. Now get out those beautiful colors. I'm gonna add more than your typical Roy G. Biv because I'm a little ambitious. You'll have your own style. Lop off the mouthpiece and then cut at the opening where it folds so that when you cut out what you want, you have a nice sturdy balloon to work with and it's not all wavy like a piece of bacon. Assuming that not all of you know much about mixing resin, it's 2 parts A to 1 part B. Always don your gloves before you handle resin. Once you have your amounts, mix them together gently to prevent bubbles. It's going to look cloudy until it doesn't. That means that it's ready to use. Get out your mold. I like to fill it about halfway with resin before I put anything else in it. And then I'm going to overlap the strips from left to right. And by the way, add your reject cosmetic tweezers to that list of items. Here's when I tried thinner strips. I just found the thicker bits way less finicky. You can see here the dimples I've made from messing with half-cured resin, but here it was warranted and the resin will eventually even out. If you possibly want that rubbery texture on the outside, put the balloons in before the resin. I haven't tried it yet, but I invite you to experiment. Once everything is in place, add the rest of the resin, but leaving just enough space for another tiny layer. "36 hours later, this is completely cured, and I'm well safe to add the last layer of resin. Give it a good swirl so that you get resin in every nook and cranny. While the resin is still wet, add your stud posts. Another day and a half wait. And now for the best part. And voila, rainbows for your earlobes. If you liked this video, please give it a gentle thumbs up. Otherwise, be happy and be healthy. See you in the next video. Bye.